What's going on, guys? It's your boy. It's not really your boy. You know who it is. I should probably really stop saying that now because it's not really your boy anymore, to be honest. I've renamed my channel, my YouTube channel, so maybe I should just actually just say welcome to Unbox Everything, everybody. That's nicer probably. But yeah, today we will be unboxing the Rode Video Micro microphone. Personally, I can't wait to open it and also show you guys. So let's jump right in. So what is up, guys? Let's begin with this unboxing. I'll probably start with this one. This is the main box and I got it as a bundle pack. This is the TRS to TRRS patch cable, which is the cable that you can use to connect the microphone, this one, to your phone. So I can use this with my phone, in my vlogs when I travel maybe. And I actually have something else in store, something else to unbox, which is pretty cool and pretty special, but I'll save that for later. I won't tell you what it is, but hopefully it will make my video production skills a bit better. But yeah, let's begin with this. So maybe just to give you a roundup of the box itself, it's basically the Rode microphone, video micro, compact on-camera microphone. I've repeated the word micro so many times in that one sentence, but there it is. That's the front cover. Here it is as a shotgun on a DSLR. I'm kind of hoping that I am going to use it for my vlogs and outside and traveling, and also making videos at home as well. And hopefully the quality will be much better compared to the phone. I'm hoping I'll do a little test in this video as well, just to kind of give you an idea of what it's like and the difference it makes. So let's just get right in and yeah, let's open this little bad boy. So we're gonna start with the sticker. I should be able to peel this off actually. All right. Ow, finger stuck. Oh, cool. All right. Unboxing. Ooh. Oh, empty. There it is. Put that off on the side. And that's all you get. So it's not that much. Let me just open up this plastic. That's just a piece of plastic. Don't want that. Right. So here is the main guess contents that you get with it. This is the microphone. Wow. It's fairly small. Wow. This is this fluffy little thing. If you guys don't know what this is called, apparently this is called a dead cat because, well, it's the thing that prevents wind, I guess, sound or wind noise when you're recording. It absorbs like the actual wind impact. That may be better to say. It functions as a wind reduction piece of fluff, and they call it a dead cat. So yeah, basically, as you can see, I just took it off because you can take this on and off, which is great. This will be good in a backpack, which is probably what I'm gonna do in case I need it. So it's really handy to have. So yeah. That's the dead cat. This is the microphone itself. It's not much. It's quite small, and probably one of the reasons why I got it. Because again, at the moment, space for me, it's not a luxury, so kind of have to keep everything quite small. And also, I'm just starting out, so do you know what? I thought, let me not splash out too much on tech and maybe just focus more on content. So yeah, that's the mic itself. Hopefully I'm going to test this in a second, but let's just see what else there is. I also don't need this. This is the so this is where you can either screw the what is this called? Compact size. It's called a suspension mount, apparently. It's a suspension mount. Yeah, this is what that is. The way this works is you can use it as, so the way it works is you have a hot shoe mount, rather not a hot shoe mount, but you can mount this onto a hot shoe on a camera, and then you can just tighten it, or really handy, if you want to, you can screw it directly onto a tripod or a tripod head or whatever you want, and you can basically have it mounted and have it as like a shotgun arm. You can have it on as Adobe. I'm waffling. I don't know. Look, you can mount it on a tripod. That's it. But this is quite special because what you can do with it is basically when you put this thing on, the microphone on, what happens is, so I think you just I'm really bad at this. So I think you're supposed to mount it, there you go. So you mount it here, just like that. You can see that. And then what happens is, as you can see, it shakes around, but what this does is absorbs any kind of impact. So when you're speaking into a microphone, what happens is sometimes you can knock it around, or like, you know, there's always shaking. So basically what this little piece of plastic does is it basically eliminates any kind of unwanted noise and sound into, you know, and absorbs the vibrations, you know, the tiny vibrations and all that kind of stuff. So then it basically, any sound that's surrounding the microphone stays silent, and it only picks up anything that's obviously more louder and obviously clearly heard, aka hopefully my voice. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I think this is gonna stay on here forever basically. I don't really imagine this coming off it unless I really want to use it for any other purpose. And the last thing you get is a cable, and this cable I think is the cable that you use to put on your connector between your, let me open it. You connect this between your camera and the microphone itself. This goes in here. And then you take this and you just plug it into your camera and you should be good to go. I think this microphone is supposed to be plug and play, so which is great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you got a bunch of instructions, probably warranty, blah blah blah. Let me just unbox this. I mean, as you can see in the picture, pretty obvious what it is. Hopefully, actually, we can try this out and see what the quality is like and see what difference it makes. So hopefully this will make a massive difference, and I'll be using this in all my videos going forward. You can hear my lovely voice. Oh, that's literally the unboxing for the cable. It's literally a box and a cable, and that's it. Put that off into the side. Whoops. There are two ends to this. You got a black end and you got a grey end. I did some research, and if I'm correct, correct me if I'm wrong. The black end goes into the microphone itself, and then the grey one goes into the phone. This goes directly into a headphone jack. If you have a normal headphone jack, then you can just plug this directly in. And I'm actually recording this on an iPhone 6s. I'm recording this in 4K. So I can actually use this straight away, and let's see how well this picks up. Hopefully, all I have to do is just plug it in and it will just start working, but I have no idea. So let's have a look, shall we? Now, I don't know if this is actually picking up or not. I hope it is. This is kind of really just dangling right now. I don't know if you can actually see it in the camera, but I literally just plugged it in and now it's just dangling in midair. Yeah, I don't know. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It's your boy. It's not really your boy. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna play around with the settings a little bit actually, and I'm gonna switch back and get back to you, and we'll see if we can make something out of this. Hey guys, so after just having a quick look online, you're actually supposed to stop the video and then restart it again for the microphone to actually start working. Yeah, I think this is now working, and I don't know what the levels are like, but because this is a bi-directional microphone, so what that means is it only picks up from a very specific point. So actually, if I just twist it, because it's hanging off my phone at the moment, now it's kind of facing me, and hopefully this is picking up very well and much better than what the phone was picking up before. Also, you should hopefully just only hear my voice and not much else around me, and hopefully I don't have to speak too loud as well. Hopefully it's picking up quite well. And yeah, so actually if I turn it away, you probably can't hear much. But if I start speaking and I start turning it back, hopefully my voice now is a lot clearer. And like I said again, the levels are hopefully fine. Yes, this is basically our living room, my living room, where I'm living, and this is like my man cave corner. I do all my editing, my PlayStation's just over there as well. And that's actually, can you see my setup just over there? That is my setup. Tripod and a stick going out and looking downwards, and yeah, that's my PC. But yeah, hopefully yeah, you guys found this review, or rather sorry, unboxing helpful. And also just quick note, what I mentioned about that stand that it comes with, the little like shotgun stand. Basically, I don't know if you can see, I'm kind of holding it, but as I'm talking to you, my hand is shaking quite a lot, and what happens is this plastic, it eliminates all that shake and tiny vibrations that travel through my arm into my hand and into this like little shotgun stand. It basically muffles out all that noise, and yeah, hopefully you guys have found this really helpful. And again, if you do buy this, make sure you get, and you want to use it with your phone, make sure you get the separate cable. That's a separate purchase, but it's not too expensive. But yeah, so that's the TRS to the TRRS cable, which has black and then a grey end, and that way you can connect it to your phone and you can just vlog away. It's literally plug and play. It's as simple as that. It's been Unbox Everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and a good day and a good night, and peace out wherever you are. Take care.